welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox a dreadlock machine that I bought from Amazon. I'm usually using a machine from Africa, Uganda, but today I ordered an Amazon dreadlock machine so I can see how it works. Here we go. Okay, I see you. There's hair. There are different things, a tool to feed the locks through. Nice tool here. There is hair ornaments. There are different tools, crochet tools, and one two-prong, and different heads for bigger locks. Tools to unscrew and to change out the dreadlock sizes. So let's look at that real quick. So I guess there's 3 different sizes. This is the biggest one, medium, and probably the one on there is probably small. And a couple of other tools, an Allen wrench, and also it comes with heads for the machine. Let me take these out, show you. These are the heads for the machine. And these heads are, I guess that goes with that. These heads are to inside the machine so that they can pull the locks and create the locks. So, very interesting. So this is the dreadlock machine here. This is I guess it's a motor. And here's the dreadlock machine. Inside, it's pretty heavy. Look like it's about maybe a pound, a pound and a half. This is a pretty big head on there. So this is the biggest head. This is the medium. And then the small is there, so you see them. Yeah. Wow. So it came with a lot of hardware. So that means you can have big locks, medium locks, and then smaller locks. Okay. Let's see. Let's get this here. Wow. And you get 2, I guess, an extension cord that would go in here. So let's put this together and see. Here are the instructions. I just want to make sure you get all of this. Get the instructions. Dreadlock machine instruction manual. Okay. Cool. Wow. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive introduction. All right, let's see how this works. And you also get a very nice card. It's a nice little touch. It said thank you for your purchase or ordering. Wow, this is nice. And it just speaks to dear customer. Wow. Impressive, impressive, impressive. So, let's see. Am I missing something? Okay. So this here, this I was told on my other machine that these machines, they need an actual adapter, like AC adapter in between. I just thought you could have a cord running to the electrical outlet, but they actually need a adapter in between, or they won't work as well. So they have another source of energy to make them last a little longer. I'm trying to figure out. So this goes with this. This is with this. And also inside, you have 3 prongs inside. And those 3 prongs, if you can see the 3 prongs, these prongs are the products that create the locks, or are supposed to create the locks inside. They're going to be moving this way, up and down, up and down, up and down, to create the locks. But I'm missing something. Am I missing something? While I try to think in my mind how to figure this out, let's unbox the hair. I believe this is hair that comes with it, which makes a lot of sense. And it's probably airtight. So that you can work on this hair. Pretty interesting. Yeah, maybe a type of wool, artificial wool. So that's pretty cool. So you can practice on this type of hair. And I believe this should be purple or something, right? Yeah, a straighter hair. So one is a kinky hair, and then one is a little straighter hair. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So this gives you something like to practice on, which is pretty cool, because you have to figure it out yourself. So this is pretty much like a really smooth, nice texture. This is like ombre, when the colors are like, blend from dark to light. That's ombre. So this is pretty nice, pretty silky, pretty cool. All right. And there is the unboxing. So this is a pretty clever machine. The machine is it has a button here, pretty quiet. Inside, it has 3 hooks or crochet needles in there that doesn't really have a hook on them, so I'm not sure how it's going to really work as a machine. I do like the fact that it's really beautiful. It's really like clean, and these holes are really big. On the machine I have, the holes are small. So this machine, you can probably do, I guess, the wicks on here. The wick locks, pretty big locks to pretty small locks. So I like that about it. Very, very well put together. And this machine came with a couple of tools. This is one tool, which I think is an incredible design. So what I'm gonna do, again, there's the button there. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tool, pull the hair through, and start locking. So what I wanna do is, first I wanna start with the hair that they sent me. Use the hair that they sent, right? Because it's gonna be, for this particular hole, you have to use thick hair. So I'm gonna use hair that's thick. So I'm gonna use hair that's pretty thick, that can feed through this hole and kind of be in it. So if I use hair that's thin, I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. So let's get enough hair that fits this particular hole. Then I'm going to use their tool they sent me. It's the tool here. So I feed the tool through. And I guess I have to push the push the hair through the tool, which is kind of a challenge. So this tool doesn't really serve the purpose for me, like if I'm just working without a head, right? So this tool won't work. I'll just go to my tool and I'll use this tool and I will pull the hair through my tool. See if that works better. Well, I gotta get it right. So I'm gonna take it. And pull it. So I'm discovering that this hair doesn't really have a nap to grip, right? So you really have to work hard to get this hair into this machine. So in order, definitely won't work with this. The tool that they sent me through Amazon. But let's see if we can get it to work with a little more effort and a little more work. So what I just did is when you're trying to feed hair through this machine, you have to adjust it so these needles are at the very bottom or it won't be able to go through. See, it's high, high, low. Let's see if it could, so we can do something here. So I'm gonna take it and twist it around to see if the hair will go through. It's kind of like pulling teeth. And then the hair is kind of stuck on the 3 heads inside the tool. So this is the pull through, right? So let's see how it works. So the object of the game is to pull back and forth. Seems to be working. And I'm trying really hard to get the hair to have a texture. So the whole name of the game is the 3 tools inside are to create texture within this lock, which seems to be creating a texture, but the texture is really, so if I show you, it's creating a texture, but it's taking a very long time to create that texture, right? So this is the hair that Amazon sent me with the machine. So I'm gonna try some different hair. I'm gonna try a hair that I would use. It's not as thick, but it has a texture on it. Has more like a texture on it. So this hair has like a coily or a wavy texture, and this hair has like a straight, has more of a straight texture. But the machine should be able to do all textures, and that's the whole point. If you have Caucasian hair, Asian hair, black hair, Latin hair, it should be able to create texture, because that's the whole purpose of the machine. So let's see. So if I take it with this machine, take the hair, twist it on. And I'm gonna feed it through. it's been about probably like 5 or 6 passes on this hair. Okay, let's see. So I'm thinking that it's really not creating a lock, because I think there's a design flaw in this product. These heads, the crochet heads inside of the tool, are missing a hook. They should have, I don't know if you can see that really good, but they should have a hook inside here. They're just straight needles, so they're not creating a lock. So I think that is it's not working as well as I expected, but I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna bring my African dreadlock machine in and just do a sample with that machine on the same hair to see how well that works. I'm gonna get my dreadlock machine out. This is do a versus video on the different machines. And this is my machine, the Ugandan dreadlock machine. And I want to do a versus to see how this machine, these two machines compare. How this machine compares to this machine. This is the Amazon machine I just purchased. And this is the Ugandan dreadlock machine. Hey, the next video, the Ugandan dreadlock machine versus the Amazon machine. Thanks for watching. Okay. Check us out.